Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to change volume button function in camera application. So now by press the one from the volume button, you can see that we can take a picture, or if we'll just hold the power button, we can take a series of the pictures here. And now we can change the function of our volume buttons, and just to do that we should click here on the settings icon, then just scroll here to the shutter shooting methods, tap here, and the first section was press volume key 2. Now we got selected to take a picture or record video. We can also change it to the zoom photos. Now we'll check that. So, sorry, that was the power key button, and now you can see that by using volume buttons we can zoom photos here. And now we'll check also and change the third method. We can control the system volumes here. So just now when we'll take pictures, we can just regular control our medias on our device. So as can you see, our volume buttons can just make a function to take a picture or video, to zoom photos, and just regular default function with the volume buttons to control the medias. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.